A warm greetings to one and all. In this session, let's learn about problem solving process. A problem may occur when the desired objective is not immediately clear. It involves reaching a goal through intermediate objectives. It requires an individual expertise, knowledge, and also some skills. So these are the steps involved in problem solving process. So the first comes problem identification. So we need to recognize and define the problem. Next, exploring information. So we need to gather and analyze the relevant data. Next is creating the knowledge base. So we need to build a base of knowledge or solutions. Next, action selection. So we need to choose the best solution or action in order to solve the problem. Next, intermediate steps, which means we have to progress through steps towards the solutions. Finally, it is goal state, which means we have achieved the desired outcome or solution. So hope you are clear in steps involved in problem solving process. Let's explore the problem solving process in detail. So the first step is problem identification. So here we need to recognize and define the problem clearly. This step involves understanding the current situation and identifying the gap between current and desired states, which means the goal state. Next, we need to pinpoint the core issues that needs solving. The second step is exploring information. So here we need to gather relevant data and information to better understanding the problem. This involves researching, asking questions, and analyzing existing knowledge or resources. It also gains insights to frame the problem effectively. The third step is creating knowledge base. So here we need to organize the collected information into a structured knowledge base. They may include creating rules, frameworks, or models that help in formulating the solutions. So we need to develop a foundation of organized knowledge to support decision making. Step 4 is action selection. So we need to choose the best possible solutions or steps based on the knowledge base. This involves evaluating multiple options and deciding on the most effective approach. We need to select the course of action to move closer to the desired solution. Step 5 deals with intermediate steps. So here we implement the actions to transitions from the current state towards the desired goal state. So these intermediate stages bridges the gap and measures the progress. So here we are breaking down the journey into manageable steps to systematically solve the problem. The final step is goal state. Here we are achieving the desired objective or solution. We need to validate that the problem has been solved and evaluate the success of the solution, which means we reach the satisfactory resolution to the problem. Here, a systematic sequence designed to handle ambiguity, doubt, and inconsistencies. So hope you are clear in problem solving process. Let us discuss about the key characteristics of a problem. Your problem should be defined within a specific context and assumption under initial conditions. So the problem should always have well-defined objectives. It requires a sequence of activities to transition states closer to the solutions. So problems should be based on previous knowledge and data from different solution stages. The primary objective of problem solving process is to identify and define the problem accurately for effective solution. An achievable goal must be defined with clarity for effective problem solutions. Operational research focuses on optimizing operational cost under boundary conditions. The improperly designed goals always leads to increased operations, resource demands, and complexity. So some real-world problems may lag in generic solutions, but they can be solved in specific environments. Problem solving depends on goal, initial information, and assumption. Let's conclude the session with general problem solving techniques. It includes problem definition, which means it clearly understands and defines the problem. Next, problem analysis and representation. So here we need to break the problem into smaller parts and represent it systematically. Next, planning. We need to develop a step-by-step strategy to solve the problem. Next, execution. We need to implement the planned solution. Next, evaluating the solution. So we need to assess the solution effectiveness and adjust if required, which means if we have not reached the goal state, we can adjust the solution based on the evaluation. Next, consolidating the gains. So we need to learn from the solution so as to improve future problem solving process. The next step is the formulation of problem. This we can discuss in the upcoming sessions. Thank you all.